Hello. To solve by factoring, the first thing you need to do is have this set equal to 0. So if we have 5w squared minus 16w equal to 16, the first thing we need to do is get it set equal to 0. So the 16 needs to be moved to the other side. So you could think of it as subtracting 16, or when you move it to the other side it changes its sign. But we wouldn't combine it with anything because they're not like terms. Then we need to factor it. When there's a number in front, first see if you can divide it out. But in this case, 5 won't go into the 16s. So we could take 5 times 16 and multiply those. So it will be a negative 80. Positive times a negative. And then you add to get the middle value, which is a negative 16. So when we want two numbers, when we multiply we get a negative 80, then when we add we get a negative 16. 20 and 4, and one of them has to be negative. We want a negative 16. So negative 20 times 4 is a negative 80, and when I add them I get a negative 16. Now since we multiplied this 5 in to get the 80, we need to divide the 5 back out. So we would divide by 5w. This will reduce by 5, and you'll get a negative 4 over w. So this is going to be w minus 4. And this one will be 5w plus 4. Then set each of them equal to 0. And solve. So the first thing we needed to do was get it set equal to 0, and then we factored it. And then you set each factor equal to 0. We can add the 4 to the other side and get 4. On this one we would subtract the 4. And then since we're multiplying by 5, we would divide. So we get two answers, 4 and negative 4/5.